Welcome on YouTube, YaadPikni here. Welcome back to my channel. If you haven't already subscribed, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. Today, let's write Jamaican. Make we write Jamaican. This is the writing system for Jamaican. It's been around since 1961. It was created by this man, Frederick Cassidy, a Jamaican-born linguist and lexicographer, someone who studies linguistics and who puts together dictionaries. More recently, the Jamaican Language Unit updated the writing system, giving us the Cassidy JLU writing system. It has 12 vowels, 21 consonants, and a marker for nasal sounds like the in wah. Yes, my dear, Jamaican have enough nasal sound. The writing system uses the Latin alphabet, the same one like English, but unlike English, where the same combination of letters has different pronunciation, or the same sound has different letters, each letter or letter combination in the Jamaican writing system represents a single sound. So all words are spelt based on how we say them. This is called a phonetic writing system. Languages like Japanese use these kinds of writing systems. In Japanese, this isn't pronounced like hair in English. It's hare, hare, meaning sunny. And this isn't like kite. No, it's kite, kite, meaning come here. So let's practice our writing system, starting with the vowels. A, aki, e, ed, I, api, o, ko, u, pus. These are short vowels, but 3 of them have longer versions, meaning we can stretch them. A, when stretched, becomes a, dog. I becomes e, queen. U becomes oo, food. 2 of these may seem strange to those of us accustomed to English spelling, but remember, Jamaican is not English. English has many ways to write those sounds, but in Jamaican, there's only one way. It's WYSIWYG. You know that computer term? What you see is what you get. Just remember how to write those 2 sounds and you'll do just fine. The other vowel sounds are I, ie, o, u, as in tired, cheer, cow, and tool. Now, let's practice all the other sounds in words. Boy, trunk, dinner, fridge, finger, can, drive, Bex, love, matches, yam, mango, picnic, ram, snake, shop, teacher, van, one, yellow, zinc, treasure. And for words with the same pronunciation but different meanings, we do as we always do and use context to distinguish between them. Now, let's try reading a few well-known Jamaican proverbs. Here's proverb number 1. You have 5 seconds. Start. Swap black dog for monkey, exchanging one bad situation for another. Number 2. You have 7 seconds. Start. What sweet nanny goat a go run in belly? What may seem good now will cost you in the long run. Last one. 10 seconds. Start. If fish the river bottom and tell you say alligator have gum boil, believe him. Trust the voice of experience. Okay, I hope you learned a lot. Be sure to give this writing system a try. Give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.